Hello to my dear students. Welcome back to English grammar classes. And this is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher, is back with another interesting video and a new topic, that is clauses. In the previous video, we understood about what is a phrase. Now today we are going to understand what are clauses.
A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and its own predicate. Let us understand with example. Here you can see it is written, she is having fun in the party. Now in this sentence, she is the subject, is having fun is the predicate. So she is having fun is acting as a clause in the sentence. Let us understand with another example. Ayan is the cutest boy in the whole class. Now here Ayan is the subject, is the cutest boy in the whole class is the predicate. So Ayan is the cutest boy is acting as a clause in this sentence. A clause can be a complete sentence or a part of a sentence. Let us understand with example. Here you can see it is written, the sun rises in the east. The sun is the subject, rises in the east is the predicate. So the whole sentence is acting as a clause. Now, a clause can be a part of a sentence. Here you can see it is written, in the backyard, the dog ran behind the cat. Here, the dog is the subject, ran behind the cat is the predicate. So, the dog ran behind the cat is acting as a clause, means as a part of a sentence. A sentence can have one clause or more than one clause. Here you can see Akbar gave Birbal a tiki problem is acting as one clause. Birbal solved it easily is acting as a second clause. Now we are going to study about types of clauses. Though there are many types of clauses in English grammar, but these two are most important. Number 1, independent clause, or we can say main clause. Number 2, dependent clause, or we can say subordinate clause. Now, what is an independent clause? An independent clause must have a subject-verb combination and it can stand alone as a complete sentence. Here, example, I ate pizza that was very tasty. Now I ate pizza. It is a complete sentence because it has a subject-verb combination and it can stand alone as a complete sentence, and rest of the part is dependent clause. Now let us learn about dependent clause. So the question is, what is a dependent clause? A dependent clause have a subject-verb combination but it depend on another independent clause. Let us understand with example. Here it is written, when we came home, we saw a little cat. Now when we came home, what happened? Then we saw a little cat. So when we came home, it is a dependent clause. Why? It has a subject-verb combination but it gives incomplete information and it depends on the another independent clause. And here we saw a little cat is a independent clause. Now let us revise what are independent and dependent clause. Independent clause, they have both subject and predicate. Dependent clause, they have both subject and predicate. They can stand separately as sentences. They cannot stand separately as sentences. They express a complete thought or idea. They do not express a complete thought or idea. Hope the topic is clear to you. So my dear students, keep on learning, keep on revising, keep on studying, stay at home and stay safe.